Good morning, day 23. So I'm going to take my load in from last night. I didn't take it in after we got finished. So do I count this as load number 12 from yesterday or load number 1 for today? I guess it doesn't matter, but so today I started out by stepping in dog poop, and there's not even a dog around here. So yeah, my cat's probably going to smell wonderful. But hey, if that's the worst that happens today, consider it a success. So here we go. Okay, you might as well ride with me to the pit. Of all of us that have jobs to do with this harvest, probably the one job that I feel the most sorry for are these guys that dump, and especially these guys, because the south wind blows the wheat chaff right back at them rather than away from them. There's the pit that this is going into. I mean, not the pit, but the storage. And this is the pit. Watching my mirror. He's telling me for the box to go up, and then he'll tell me when to stop. Scale again, weigh the truck, and this determines how many bushels I hauled into the elevator. This little creek's had a lot of water through it recently. You can see where the grass is laid down, how far it got out of its banks. And it looks like it's got a bit of a plug right there that could cause an issue. bent that tree down a little bit. We got another toasty day today, not as much breeze, so that kind of makes it tough on the truck driver. See how I don't know if you can see the dirt that's just beyond Jim. It just goes straight up in the air. Yeah, I guess you can't see it. I can see it really good with my sunglasses on. Exactly what the elevator needs sitting right on the corner. Right where the truck drivers can jump out and grab a ice cold lemonade. There's a stand that looks like something you would see at the carnival in the City of Lions. That thing should be sitting at the Chase elevator, and I guarantee I would frequent it every time I had a load that needed to be dumped. And maybe even make it better would be a lemonade icy or a slush or something like that. That could be a big seller, I believe. Little things like this that I look forward to. Every time I stop and get my green ticket, I go into the office and grab one of these little tasty gems, and it just makes my day. So thank you, Chase Elevator. So right before we turn off to go to our fields and to our farm, there's this, I seriously am gonna stop and jump in. I wonder if there are any monsters in there.
What is the number one sign of a bad homesick condition? It's too complicated to use. That's exactly why Simply Safe has spent a decade making their system simple. Simply Safe was designed to be
trees, the worse it's going to get on your side. Same with me where that waterway is. Closer to it, I think.
Best time of the day right now. Well, the sun is starting to set again. Best part of the day. Seriously, can't even imagine how wonderful it feels when that sun starts losing its power. A few clouds on the western horizon again, and some in front of us, but I don't know that we've got any rain in the forecast. So this is what I've had most of the day, so I don't have a lot of coverage. We've got the combines kind of separated from each other in a long distance away, and the grain cart goes to them to unload their combines and brings it back to the trucks. So I haven't had a lot of harvest action to share today. I tried to do more with the trucks, but you know, it's hard to try to do with one hand. I don't think I have nearly as many tickets so far as yesterday. Yeah, I only have 7 tonight. Well, 8 counting the one that I took in this morning, which was the load from last night. I did notice that Jim was playing a little bit more in the mud earlier in this field, but nobody's gotten seriously stuck. I just looked to see what stats I could probably tell you. Again, there's no protein being shown on the elevator tickets. Test weight, test weight still pretty much stays consistently at about 60 pounds. It's plenty dry, 10-11%. And that's about really all I can tell you. I don't know what it's yielding because I'm not in the combine, so maybe Jim will fill me in tonight. Okay, come on. What are you going to tell me?
I don't know.
Do you like riding in the tractor?
Yeah.
Do you like riding in the combine?
Yeah.
Which do you like better? Come over here. What? Probably the combine?
Yeah.
Hey, high five. All right, you're going to be on it. Just a minute ago.
Oh, you guys dance for it.
Yeah.
You were so excited to dance. Do something for her.
Aren't you getting ate up by mosquitoes?